Yes, good morning, Hiba. Are you able to hear me?
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning, good morning. I'm
Hi,
not able to
doctor.
see
How are
you.
you?
Your
Oh,
video is not
not?
working.
Oh, sorry. Wait a minute. Hi, how are
No
you?
problem, no problem. Okay, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Though it's Ramadan 22.
Yeah, almost done.
Almost done. Very fast, very quick.
Very fast.
Uh, in our childhood,
We feel sad when it's reached the end.
ending.
Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Mm.
Um, Usually in our childhood, the time for Ramadan is very long span, we feel. I don't know.
Right.
It's a feeling of the people, maybe. Right now,
Yeah.
we feel it's very quick. Just
Yeah,
started
it
only
is.
one.
For every day, you feel like it's moving very fast.
Okay,
Time.
okay, okay. Yeah, I wanted to start today's session with a book. You heard
Okay.
about the concept of gung ho? You heard about? I'm just going to
Mm.
type it. Gung ho.
I cannot get
Written
my
by
note.
written by Blanchard and Bowl. Ken Blanchard, I think, yeah. Ken Blanchard and Bowl.
A person who like to write. Just a minute.
Spelling mistake maybe there. The book name is Gung Ho.
Mm.
You'll be getting the PDF copy of it. It's very, very interesting book. You must read as an education leadership person. The story starts from, there's a two-person. Her name is Peggy, and Peggy is the manager and department head of one Walton Works Station 2 company, one of the department. She's a head. But her department is worst performing, is not performing well. So she is very in trouble because the entire department is going to close. So how she can improve? At the time, one of Native American person, his name is Andy. Andy met her and gave one advice. The advice Andy got it from his grandfather. Grandfather was serving the World War First and World War Second or something like. So he has given this theory. The theory is called gung ho concept. Gung ho concept is talking about the three important animal and one bird, including one bird. So the gung ho, there are three important principles. The first principle is all about the spirit of squirrels. Squirrels, you know the squirrels?
No.
Squirrels, one animal, squirrels. You can check.
Squirrel. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And the second one, the way of beaver,
Mm.
beaver. And the third one is the gift of goose. I'm just typing here. You have to research the the spirit of
Squirrel and
squirrels,
the second one, what
squirrels.
is it?
Second one is the way of beaver.
Beaver.
Beaver. When you see the animal picture, you understand
Yeah.
the gift of goose.
Goose?
Yeah.
Goose. Yeah, I know.
Okay. I have typed here. You can just
The
see the picture of it.
geese like many and which is
Okay. See, this book is talking about, I will tell you, the spirit
yeah,
of squirrels means
yeah,
the purpose driven. There
yeah,
must be a purpose. For
there
example,
is.
we may be feeling a janitor, the cleaner who is
Mm,
doing the cleaning and other things in the hospital. You feeling
yeah,
his role is very less. The cleaner, right? Cleaner, his role is very less. Nothing important. Doctor's
yeah,
role is very important. It's not like the cleaner, the janitor must feel that this is something
mm,
have a purpose.
mm,
If he or she is not cleaning properly, there will be an hygienic issue, right?
of course. Yeah,
And number of people who are visiting the company, the
mm,
hospital will be trouble with, number of
yeah,
diseases. So
mm,
we have to teach him the role, the mission, the vision he's being a part of it. That's one of the important thing, the lesson we got from the spirit of squirrels.
Mhm.
The work must be worthwhile. The second one is like, shared goals must be there. And the third
Mm.
one, what is that? Value driven. Yes.
Mm.
Three important things has been discussed in the spirit of squirrels. Second one, the way of beaver. The beaver is something very, very stringent animal, It will be a part of making something, a part of what we call during the time of rain and all. I'll be sharing the picture of it otherwise. You can
Yeah.
understand what is the role of the beaver. The gift of
Yeah.
goose. The
So
way
the
of beaver
spirits.
means
Yeah.
empowering, exactly.
Yeah.
The gift
Mm.
of goose is encouraging, recognition.
Okay, I can you give me just a minute? It's the bell is
No problem, no problem. Take your
yeah,
time.
no
Take your
come.
time.
Yeah, just give me a minute.
I'm here, I'm here.
Sorry. No.
Yes, Siva, have you
Yeah, I'm
reached?
sorry for the
No problem, no problem.
uh,
Just
interrupting and yeah, the because everyone is sleeping right now.
yeah,
I'm
yes,
the
yes,
only
yes.
one who's wake up. Yeah.
Once again, as in navigation. Yes, please.
Mm.
So, can you do one thing? Can you do a small 1 minute research about this book?
Yeah, I'm doing here.
Okay, okay, very
Yeah.
good, very good. So,
Yeah.
whenever you get a time, please read it.
Mm.
It will help you to refine yourself, to understand yourself, how to work in a team,
Mm.
and even the time of your being a leader of education leader. This book is very helpful for because
It
it can
is.
perfectly implement in
Exactly,
your
yeah.
college life, I mean, university or school life as well.
Mm.
Okay, perfect. So
Mm.
now I'm coming to the discussion that the last, what is the topic of your quarter presentation?
The operational management,
Operational
operational
management.
performance. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm still working on it. Not finished, but the report is done. My presentation still needs more.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I can present some, and then,
Let's see. You can start then now.
okay, just a second. Because I usually like to put notes on all the details. Just a second. Mm. Hey, can you see? Can you see the page?
Yeah, I can see, I can see.
Mm.
Now you learn how to make a good PPT.
Yeah, I said that, sure. But still need to practice on some stuff. Okay. So improving school performance, integrating lean, TQM, total quality management, and Six Sigma. I'm supposed to write in education field. Okay, so just a minute. As an introduction, so again, my head. Okay, I don't know what's the problem with the with the door today from early morning. They keep knocking the door. Just a minute. Can I excuse you for a minute? Just a minute,
Yeah, sure, sure. No problem, no problem.
please.
You take
Yeah,
your time.
sorry. Yeah, okay, my husband wake up right now. Okay. So in this presentation, I introduced the importance of operational efficiency in educational field or institutions. So why it is important to have an operational plan and efficiency, and it is crucial for educational institution, as it directly influences the students and their achievement, and also satisfaction of their stakeholders and the management. Okay, let me make it bigger. Just a minute. Yeah. So first we took the introduction to the three tools used in this case studies. Lean, which is focuses on reducing waste, and total quality management emphasizes continuous improvement, and Six Sigma uses data-driven to decision making. To introduce this topic to improve schools' performance through lean, total, and quality management, and Six Sigma methodologies. So in this introduction, the ultimate goal, genuine learning improvements, how to improve these institutions through these theories and strategies, especially after the KHDA showing their performance, which is unsatisfactory at the beginning. And then they use these methods to improve, and they implement these methods and then improve their record at the KHDA. Yeah. So here is overview of the KHDA roles in schools performance evaluation. So the Knowledge of the Human Development Authority, KHDA, plays a vital role in assessing schools' performance through regular inspections and evaluations. It provides the schools with feedback, which is very important to see where they need to improve their performance and where they need to strengthen any weaknesses they have. So in this case study, we took Salam Private School and Dubai Modern Educational School. Salam Private School and Modern Educational School serves as example in this case study. They demonstrate a successful integration of lean methodology and total quality management, and then the last one, which is Six Sigma, to show how they perform the using data and to have a better decision making. Yeah. So the background of the operational efficiency in education, it provides a historical overview of lean and TQM and Six Sigma, how from where this theories came from, and how they what are the key principles of each theory used in this field. So, in the importance of operational efficiency in school success, operational efficiency significantly affects school success. Because it's a tool that helps leadership how to manage and how to see where there needs to work on, and as it leads to improve the students' performance and higher satisfaction of rate among teachers and parents, and better resources allocation. Efficient process allow schools to focus on core educational goals. So where is it their goals? Every school, their goals is their students' performance and their satisfaction, parents' satisfaction. So how to improve these goals by using these techniques, help leaders how to implement, how to improve their performance through KHDA, other leader inspections. And so by taking an overview of Lean, TQM, and Six Sigma, provides frameworks of continuous improvement in educational field. So these methodologies encourage ongoing assessment and by the department of the schools, and also keeps the process continuously improving, and promoting a culture of innovation and responsibility and towards their education, their field, and enhancing communication and resource utilization. So effective communication and resource utilization are a critical component of operational efficiency in schools. Implementing lean principles helps streamline communication process, while TQM, so each one has its own role to focus in this educational field. In our case study, they succeeded using three techniques, three theories that helps their performance to get improved. So in TQM, it's foster collaboration and engagement, ensuring resources are utilized and wisely used in the learning setting. And the role for stakeholders satisfaction in education. So each for this slide, we focus on what we need to. Each one has its role. So what's the impact of the operational efficiency in the educational field, and what are these theories implemented, how they are implemented in the educational field, and what is needed, why it's needed in the educational need, and what's the role of the stakeholders and satisfaction in education. So encourage so here, as parents and students, other educators, is integral as to school performance. Very important, their satisfaction report to the school. So by focusing on quality management and practices, and involving stakeholders in decision-making, schools can better align with their goals, with their strategy. And yeah.
Okay.
Here, overview of each one of these methodologies used in the educational field, in this case study. So as lean tool, value stream mapping. What's that mean? Of a key definition of each one, one of the tools. So lean originally formed from Toyota production system in the 1950s. And so each one has its history and has its time, where comes from. Also, TQM evolved from quality control practices in the mid-20th century, focusing on overall quality improvement. And Six Sigma developed the module from Motorola in 1980. Aims reduce process variation and defects. So that's how the history of each methodology comes from. What's the focus of each area and principles of each methodology? So for lean tools, visual tool it's a visual used tool like VSM, which is visual stream mapping. Visual tool used to analyze and improve the flow of materials and information in the process. Helps to identify where is the waste that affects the education and the area and optimization in school operation. And also, the common tools used in also for the other one, which is the 5S used in lean methodology, which is sort and set in order, shine, how to keep workplace clean and manage, and standardized their how to maintain organization and establish procedures, and sustain, which is ensure continuous adherence to 5S principles. And then we have the total quality management, which is a continuous improvement model used to problem solving and process enhancements. And these comes from the 3 steps, which is plan, do, check, and then act towards the improvement. And we have also Six Sigma tool, which is define, measure, and yeah. So it's introduce the tool which is used in the Six Sigma, which is define, measure, analyze, and improve, then and control. So how to define the problem, how to see where is the objects that needs to be work on. And then we go and measure and collect data and establish the baseline for this issue. And then we work on analyzing and examine the cause, why it's happened, why it's leads with this effect. After that, we start with controlling, which is improving through monitoring. Statistical analysis, and then so the synergy combining these methodologies in school. So they combine these methodologies. Imagine how they performed after using these methodologies, and how improvement they will get, and approach addresses various operational challenges, promoting a comprehensive framework for continuous improvement in educational institution. Just a second.
Yes.
Just a minute. Raya. Yeah. So what's the objectives of this essay? Is to exploring the impact of Lean, TQM, Six Sigma, and on school performance. So, and which is, so in this, we will explore each tools and each methods, and how positively impact the school performance. So by examining case study, by using a case study, as we mentioned before, and we will see how it will impact. Addressing challenges faced by struggling school. And then we will do the potential benefits, integrating these methods. What is the methods? What's the benefits of these methods, and build a culture of continuous improvement in education. So we not only use the methods when we see the weaknesses, so we need to keep improving and using maybe also maybe other methods will work on the other issue. So this will give them the ability to know how to address their issue. And so first, we will address the understanding lean management and education. So what's the definition of principles of lean management? So the lean management, just a second.
Yes.
So in lean management and education focus on eliminating waste, optimizing process, and creating value of students. So the principles emphasizes continuous improvement. So here we will continuous improvement, efficiency, and involvement of stakeholders to enhance overall learning experience. What's the importance of waste reduction? Why we do that? So waste reduction in school translates to improved resource utilization, streamline operation, and enhance learning experience. So whenever we get reduct of the waste and we focus on the things that we need to focus on, we will enhance learning experience by identifying and eliminating unnecessary tasks in school, can redirect resources towards activities that will benefit students. Yeah, Mama, have
Stitch.
Okay, yeah.
Stitch.
Thank you, حبيبتي.
عفوا.
Okay, and what are the key tools? Value, stream mapping, and 5S methods. So value stream mapping, as we mentioned, it's a tool that visualized work flows and identify inefficiencies. While 5S methods promote organization and clearness in learning environment. So it keeps the image clear for the educational leaders and even educators, teachers. These tools empower educators to adapt more efficient practices within their school. How to foster a culture of continuous improvement. A culture of continuous improvement, known as Kaizen, encourages staff and students to engage in small incremental changes. So that's make all the parties engage and make the changes. And that leads to satisfaction, significant improvement over time. And this collaboration approach foster innovation and share commitment to excellence in education. That leads how to keeps them always improve, and after they see the result, they will not like less than the excellence of their performance after using these methods. So implementation of lean tools in school, how to value stream mapping, identifying inefficiencies. Value stream mapping enables schools to chart their process visually, pinpointing areas where delays and reduces occurs. These insights allow educators to address inefficiencies and create a smoother workflow that enhances productivity. How to engage staff in continuous improvement and mindset. So is crucial for a successful lean implementation. So we can do it without engaging all parties through the process. Training and workshops empower educators to take ownership of their process and contribute actively ongoing improvement efforts. Aligning lean principles with and then also with the other tools, which is total quality management, Six Sigma strategies. So align lean principles with TQM and Six Sigma creates a cohesive strategy for operational excellence. So this alignment ensures that waste reduction, quality improvement, data-driven decision-making, all of them together enhance their performance. Evidence of success from as the case study. So there is a lot of case studies illustrate the success of lean implementation in education. One of them at Salam Private School reported improved operation, greater stakeholders satisfaction, and enhanced students' outcomes as the result of adopting lean methodology. What are the benefits of lean management? So, as we mentioned, waste reduction and efficiency improvement in school, enhance in student satisfaction and performance, building a sustainable system for long-term educational success. And the role also for the lean management is fostering collaboration among educators and other stakeholders. And now we will talk about total quality management in educational institution. So first we will have the definition of the significance of total quality management, which is focusing on emphasizing quality improvement in all educational process. Its significance and lies in fostering a culture of excellence involving stakeholders in decision making and continuously enhancing educational outcomes. The PDCA, which is a cycle, and its application used in school, which is plan, do, check, and then act cycle, is a central element of total quality management, guiding the school to systematic improvement efforts. This process allows institutions to plan initiatives, implement changes, assessing outcomes, and make necessary adjustment. Yeah.
Okay.
So what are the importance of why stakeholders' involvement in educational is important? So involving stakeholders in educational improvement is crucial for gaining diverse perspective and ensuring that initiatives align with the needs of students and the community. The collaboration promotes the sense of ownership and commitment towards the education and the quality of the education. Enhancing teaching practices through TQM by developing professional development, encouragement, feedback from educators and students. Continuous improvement initiatives can lead in innovative teaching techniques and higher engagement level. So what are the key concepts of TQM, total quality management, and its relevance? So continuous improvement in involvement of all stakeholders, individualize to contribute to enhancement. Serializing. It's a very, yeah. So on input from all stakeholders, when you take all the input from the stakeholders to drive these changes, this inclusive approach foster a shared vision of quality education and empower. So it's empower the education. It's gives direct them to different quality empower education and vision. Building accountability and engagement among educators. So whenever you engage the stakeholders, educators into their plan, into their improvement plan, they will have the accountability to have their success. The interplay of TQM in Lean and Six Sigma methodology. So the interplay between TQM and Lean and Six Sigma creates a comprehensive framework of optimizing school performance. Same thing with Lean, as mentioned. When we connect all these methodologies together, it's enhanced their performance by leveraging strength of each methodology. So school can address various operational challenges effectively at this way. What's the outcome improvement in the school performance? So to improve in school performance, increased students' achievement, higher satisfaction rate, and more efficient process are all outcomes that reflect the effectiveness of TQM initiatives. So what's the strategies used to implement TQM? So engaging stakeholders in decision-making process, how to engage them, such as teachers, parents, students, in their decision-making. Always take their feedback, collaborative approach, ensure diverse perspective are considered in the improvement efforts. And the significance of ongoing professional development for the staff. So always have the professional development that enhance their skills, knowledge, to foster the culture of continuous learning and include promote the quality of the education. And incorporating feedback always mechanisms into total quality management framework. So always having the gather the feedback from the stakeholders and helps the school adapt their strategies continuously to improve their practices. Aligning total quality management strategy with the educational goals. So with broader educational goals of the institution, ensure that improvement efforts contributed to overall mission of the school. This alignment enhanced the focus of the effectiveness of quality initiatives. Yeah.
Okay. You done?
So and then so here are the satisfaction of educational quality. Yeah. So measure the effects of the TQM on students' engagement, the influence of improvement communication on the school and environment, how it's successful, these case study after using the total quality management, and a correlation between it's like yeah. When you use all these methods together, how it affects positively. And then we will talk about the Six Sigma implementing into these two schools, how it affects, and by having a better decision making and with the educators and other leaders and stakeholders. And in the conclusion, summarizing the benefits of integrating these methodologies and the importance of the operational efficiency in educational success, how it leads to the success at the end by optimizing a process, reducing waste in school, can create an environment that supports effective teaching and learning, ultimately benefiting all the stakeholders. And what's the path that towards continuous improvement? These using them helps to educators and to continuously and take the contribution and accountability to towards the improvement. And for future implication for educational institution, so the future the institution revolve around the continued adoption into integration, Lean, TQM, and Six Sigma methodologies. As a school prioritize operational efficiency, they can expect sustained improvement in education quality and stakeholder satisfaction. The end. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're
I want to
welcome.
come into your iPad. Maybe. 1 second. I'm just coming to you for a feedback. So you have presented some part of the discussion on the topic, the important criteria for the operation management. And what I want to tell you, I think you have some pending presentation, yeah? Some contents are still pending in that. Okay, so after all,
On the
meanwhile,
LMS, you mean?
yes. No, I'm talking about you have some contents are pending in your presentation, right? It's incomplete. Yeah, you wanted to add some more points in that.
What do you think? Do I need to?
Okay. So what you can do is next time you can also prepare a detailed report on the basis of your PPT. PPT is the right. A detailed report in the sense like the written one, attach it both, align both, and you need to submit.
Like what I did with the other
Okay,
presentation.
I could not check it exactly. The other presentations are good. The slide
for
is
the
good.
case studies.
Yeah, case study
I mean,
one.
yeah.
So you can align both your PPT also and your PDF also. You can align with.
Yeah.
Or I'll be creating other link as well for adding your PPT there. So
Yeah,
you can also create a detailed report on the basis of that.
Yeah.
So once you're done, you can do the next time an analysis. You can share me your work on the screen share. I'll be checking there itself in the class itself. For the operation management, okay. So one or two things also I wanted to a feedback from your side. Like I want to give you feedback for you. Like another case study you have submitted, right? 2-3 case study also you submitted
I
before,
need to
right?
submit. Yeah.
You need to submit.
I submit all the case studies.
Yes.
I just need to submit one we did for the project. I think I have only the project, this one, and then
one more is there, I think.
one more, yeah.
So that one also you
I
can
think
share me in the screen share. We'll be giving a feedback. Then we can go for a submission for that. MBA thesis, we wanted to make some sort of alignment altogether. Little things also we need to add it. For example, you have approached some expert people, right? So what the comment?
Can you again?
For example, you have already mentioned in your research methodology that you will be meeting some experts in the leadership field. So their opinion you will be adding in that, right? Their opinion, their observation on that. I will be discussing that time for the next class. That also you can incorporate it. So thank you so much. You improved in terms of your PPT. The PPT is good now. I don't know how you are preparing that. PPT is good. Very good
Thank
PPT.
you. Thanks so much.
You just check it out of your first PPT that you presented, your video presentation. And now your speaking style has changed. Your fluency has changed. And that overall it's good. It's really great. It's really great anyhow. So thank you so much. And
thank you.
We will be
just before I leave, we talked last time about Semna. I tried to last time to reach her, but I could not. And you also tried to send her to the message, but she did not get back to me. And in this case, I tried to talk to her regarding the graduation, what the next step we need to do.
Okay.
Is it going to be here in Dubai? Is it going to be in Cyprus? Do I need to prepare myself to, book an tickets? Because, this process, it can't be just like that. I have to prepare myself. And
great.
she can send me an email or
no, she was in my contact.
If she can't you call me or talk to me, she can send an email regarding all these details, because it's not professional to I keep calling and I'm driving or and not replying and not getting back to me.
Okay. Recently she has caught up with some of her family visiting and etc. She even
Mm.
traveled to India, I believe. That's why
Yeah.
maybe because I could call her yesterday, talking
Yeah.
about all the structures and all, and she has talked to me. But I thought, okay, you got a reply for this. That's why I could not ask this. I will be
Mm.
asking. I'll be asking.
Yeah.
Or can you do one thing?
Yeah.
Have you emailed her with all these things?
Yeah, I did, I remember.
Can you do one thing?
Maybe.
Can you do one thing? You can forward to me. I'll be forwarding to her. Now itself, I'll be making a WhatsApp contact, WhatsApp texting because she replied me yesterday. She's a little free right now. She can
Oh,
reply you back at the earliest possible. I'll be asking her. No problem.
okay.
No worries
Okay.
on it.
Okay.
So thank you so much.
Thank you. And
Hiba
also
is
one thing, it's regard the account and my university. What she said, we will get updated because we're talking with the university and they will we still yeah, there's still trying to get the access for the university email for my for my university email to
okay.
get the so
Okay,
she said
okay.
we're on the process, we're trying to get that, and no results also for this
One second.
one.
I've noted down. I've
Mm,
noted down all these things,
mm,
and I'll be mentioning to her to give
mm.
a quick reply for that. Since I'm not in the academic administration side, I'm only in the teaching, right? So
Yeah,
I'm not
but
having all these
these
access,
things,
but
it's
I will
important,
be
for the students.
absolutely, absolutely.
Mm,
I will be asking her anyhow.
yeah,
So
please.
yes, convey all my regards to your
Thank you.
family, to your husband, and to your all the members. And this is really great that you got an opportunity to learn because of your family helps
Yeah,
and assistance.
of
A really
course.
great thing. There are many people who are struggling not to have this kind of an education. I really appreciate everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so
Thank you
much.
so
Yeah,
much. Thank you.
perfect.
Thank you. Take care.
Yes.
Ciao, yeah, bye.